On this slide, you'll see a table that details the formant frequencies and vowel duration of each speaker, as well as two line plots, the one on the top showing the F1 and the one on the bottom showing the F2 values of each vowel spoken by each child. When comparing the data from our speech samples with the two research studies, our results were consistent with the findings from each study. Study number 1 found that Southern dialect speakers tend to have less distinction and space between their mid-front vowels. When you look at each of the red lines representing the trend of the Southern speakers' F1 and F2 productions, it is easy to see that there is overall more of a flat shape and therefore less variability compared to the Northern speaker. Our second study focused more on pausing and also vowel and consonant duration. The researchers concluded that Southerners tend to have more variation in vowel duration as well as an overall slower speaking rate. The table to the left shows that for every single word production, our Southern speaker had a longer vowel duration, which could also indicate a slower speaking rate than our Northern speaker. It was also interesting that while there was more variability in the F2 productions, our Southern speaker had a higher F1 for every single word produced. While neither of our children used any phonological processes or made any super noticeable speech errors, there was clearly a discernible difference between each of the children's production patterns and formant frequencies.